नमस्ते बच्चों, today we are here with miscellaneous problems of your first chapter, number system. And the first problem is, if p is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus root 5 and q is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5, then we have to find the value of p square plus q square. So let us solve it. We have p is equal to given 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus root 5. So first we have to rationalize it. Plus sign is here, so we will multiply its numerator and denominator by just changing this sign. So rationalizing factor for 3 plus root 5 will be 3 minus root 5, and denominator is also multiplied by 3 minus root 5. Now in numerator we have to multiply these two, so both are same. 3 minus root 5 multiplied by 3 minus root 5 will be 3 minus root 5 the whole square, and in denominator we have to multiply 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5, which will be equal to, it is based on identity a plus b, a minus b, then it will be equal to 3 square minus root 5 the whole square. So your p will be equal to, now expand it on the identity a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab upon 9 minus 5. So it will be equal to, p will be equal to 9 plus 5 minus 6 root 5 upon 4. Again, and q is given, it will be equal to 14 minus 6 root 5 upon 4, and q is given 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus root 5. Also rationalize it. So multiply numerator by 3 plus root 5 and denominator by 3 plus root 5, because minus sign is there, so its rationalizing factor will be 3 plus root 5. So we get, in numerator we will get 3 plus root 5 the whole square divided by 3 square minus root 5 the whole square. This implies that q is equal to, now expand it on the identity a plus b the whole square. So it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab upon 9 minus 5. So it will be equal to 9 plus 5 plus 2 3 6 root 5 upon 4, and then it will be equal to 14 9 5 14 plus 6 root 5 upon 4. Now we have to find the values of p square plus q square. We have to find the values of p square plus q square. So now p square plus q square will be equal to, put the value of p which is 14 minus 6 root 5 upon 4 the whole square, as the value of p is 14 minus 6 root 5 upon 4, plus the value of q is 14 plus 6 root 5 upon 4 the whole square. Then this implies that p square plus q square will be 1 by 4 is here and 1 by 4 is also here. So, and whole square is there. So 1 by 16 will be common in both. If we square 4, we will get 16, and in this, if we square 4, we will get 16. यहाँ पे 4 है तो 4 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 16 होगा, नीचे है तो 1 बाई 16 हो गया, इसमें भी आएगा और इसमें भी 1 बाई 16 आएगा, तो कॉमन ले लिया गया, बचेगा क्या 14 माइनस 6 रूट 5 द होल स्क्वायर, यहाँ बचेगा 14 प्लस 6 रूट 5 द होल स्क्वायर। तब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, 1 बाई 16 हो गया, इसको तोड़ेंगे, ए का स्क्वायर तो 196 हो जाएगा, बी का स्क्वायर तो 6 का स्क्वायर 36, 36 इंटू रूट 5 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 5, 36 इंटू 5 180, माइनस 2ab, तो 2 को 14 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 28, और 28 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 6 8 जा 48 और 6 2 जा 12 और 4 16 रूट हो जाएगा 5, और इसको तोड़ेंगे तो वही आएगा 196 प्लस 180 माइनस 168 रूट 5, सॉरी प्लस आएगा, प्लस है तो प्लस होगा। तो यहाँ पे ये रूट है तुम्हारा, तो ये जो है 168 रूट 5 माइनस और 168 रूट 5 प्लस, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो बच जाएगा तुम्हारा यहाँ पे 1 बाई 16, 196 180 जोड़ेंगे, 196 180 जोड़ना है तो 6 हो गया, 17 हो गया, 1121 3 हो गया। अब इसको 2 बार जोड़ना है तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 2 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14 और 1 15 और 1 2 3 जा 1 6 और 1 7 हो जाएगा, तो 7 5 2। अब इसको काटेंगे, देखेंगे कटता है कि नहीं, कट जाएगा, 16 से काटोगे 4 टाइम्स 64, अब 11 और 2 16, 7 जा 112, देयरफॉर पी स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हो गया तुम्हारा 47। दिस इज योर आंसर। नाउ लेट अस सी सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम। If x is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3, we have to find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So, the value of x is given 1 by 2 minus root 3. So, right here we have x is given 1 upon 2 minus root 3. So rationalize it. We will multiply its numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3. And rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. So we have multiplied it its numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 3. So this implies that your x will be 1 multiplied by 2 plus root 3 will be 2 plus root 3, and in denominator we have to multiply 2 minus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. It is based on identity a minus b, a plus b. So it will be a square, that is 2a square, and minus b square, that is root 3 square. So your x will be 2 plus root 3 in numerator, and 2 square is 4 minus 3. So your x will be 2 plus root 3 upon 1, that is 2 plus root 3. So x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Now we have to find the value of this expression, x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So write the expression first, x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Now put the value of x here. Value of x is 2 plus root 3. This is the value of x. So we have to put here, x cube is here, so we will write 2 plus root 3 the whole cube minus 2 into 2 plus root 3 whole square minus 7 into 2 plus root 3 plus 5. So now you have to expand it. It is the identity a plus b the whole cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a, that is 2, into b, that is root 3, into a, that is 2, plus b root 3, and minus 2 into a plus b the whole square. So 2a square plus root 3 square plus 2 into 2 into root 3, 2ab, minus multiply it 7 to the 14, minus 7 into minus plus root 3 minus 7 root 3 plus 5 is here. So write 5 plus 5. Now we get 2 cube is 8, root 3 cube, that is root 3 cube will be root 3 cube is equal to root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 and root 3 multiplied, we get 3 and root 3. So root 3 cube is equal to 3 root 3 plus 3 to the 6 root 3 into 2 plus root 3 minus 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, and plus 2 to the 4 root 3 minus 14 plus 5, minus 14 plus 5 minus 7 root 3. So it will be 8 plus 3 root 3 and 6 to the 12 root 3 plus 6 root 3 multiplied by root 3 will be 3, 6 3 ja 18. When we multiply 6 by root 3 by 3, root 3, then root 3 the product of root 3 and root 3 will be 3, and 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, and minus 2, 4, 3, 7. So, or you can write minus 2 into 4, minus 8, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, and minus 2 into 4 root 3, minus 8 root 3, and minus 14 plus 5 is equal to minus 9. 5 minus 14 will be minus 9, and minus 7 root 3. So, we have 8. First write the rational number one side and irrational number another side. So 8 is rational, 18 is rational, minus 8, minus 6, and minus 9, plus 3 root 3 plus 12 root 3. इरेशनल नंबर को यानी रूट वाले नंबर्स को एक साथ रखेंगे, और नंबर्स जो है रेशनल नंबर उसको एक साथ रख दिए. 12 रूट 3 हो गया. उसके बाद माइनस 8 रूट 3 माइनस 7 रूट 3. देख लो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 टर्म है इसमें. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 टर्म इसमें हो गया, यानी सबको हमने लिख दिया. देन it will be equal to 8 and 18 26 प्लस को एक साथ जोड़ेंगे, माइनस वाले को एक साथ जोड़ेंगे, साइन देंगे माइनस का. 8 6 14, 8 6 14 9 23 प्लस 3 रूट 3 और 12 रूट 3 will be 15 रूट 3 minus 8 root 3 minus 7 root 3. It will be minus 8 minus 7 will be minus 15 root 3. So 26 minus 23 is 3, and this 15 root 3 is plus, and 15 root 3 is in minus. So it will cancel. So your final answer is 3. Now let us see question number 3rd. Your question number 3rd is find the value of 5 raised to the power n plus 2 minus 6 into 5 raised to the power n plus 1 by 13 into 5 raised to the power n minus 2 into 5 raised to the power n plus 1. So let us solve it. We have to solve it. So we have in question it is given that 5 is raised to the power n by 2 minus 6 into 5 raised to the power n plus 1 upon 13 multiplied by 5 raised to the power n minus 2 into 5 raised to the power n plus 1. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या करेंगे, 5 के पावर n प्लस 1 बाई 5 के पावर n प्लस 1 को काट देंगे. तो ये कभी कटेगा नहीं, क्योंकि ये एक साथ है, ये पूरा एक साथ है, ये डिनोमिनेटर में भी पूरा एक साथ है. तो जोड़ने या घटाने के बाद ही हम काट सकते हैं, कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. तो इसको कैंसिल नहीं करना है 5 के पावर n प्लस 1 और 5 के पावर n प्लस 1 को, क्योंकि यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन है, बीच में यहाँ भी माइनस का साइन है. तो जैसे 5 माइनस 3 हो, देखो जैसे 5 माइनस 3 हो और बाई 3 हो, तो 3 को 3 से काट दोगे तो गलत हो जाएगा, ये हम नहीं काट सकते. उसी तरह से यहाँ भी माइनस का साइन है, न्यूमरेटर में भी और डिनोमिनेटर में भी. तो इसको सॉल्व करना है. तो इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, ये 5 के पावर n प्लस 2 है, तो इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हो 5 के पावर n इंटू 5 के पावर 2 माइनस 6 इंटू, इसको लिख सकते हो 5 के पावर n इंटू 5 के पावर 1 अपॉन अपॉन लिख सकते हो 13 इंटू 5 के पावर n माइनस 2 इंटू 5 के पावर n इंटू 5 के पावर 1। तब इसका अगला स्टेप हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, अब देखो ऊपर 5 के पावर n कॉमन हो गया, तो 5 के पावर n कॉमन ले लो, बच गया यहाँ पे 20, 5 का स्क्वायर हो गया 25 माइनस 6 इंटू 5 बचेगा, मतलब 30 बच जाएगा, अपॉन बच जाएगा तुम्हारा, यहाँ नीचे भी 5 के पावर n कॉमन हो जाएगा, 5 के पावर n, तो यहाँ बच जाएगा 13 माइनस 2 इंटू 5 यानी 10 बच जाएगा। तो अब यहाँ पे कॉमन लेने के बाद इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हो, ये जो है तुम्हारा 5 के पावर n बाई 5 के पावर n कैंसिल हो गया। अब जो है तुम्हारा बच जाएगा, ऊपर बचा कितना, ऊपर बच गया तुम्हारा 25 माइनस 30 दैट इज माइनस 5 एंड 13 माइनस 10 दैट इज 3। दिस इज योर आंसर। सो दिस इज योर आंसर फॉर दिस एक्सप्रेशन। नाउ let us see question number 4, and your question number 4 is, if it is given that if 10 to the power x is equal to 64, then find the value of 10 raised to the power x by 2 plus 1. This is the power 10 raised to the power x by 2 plus 1. So let us solve it. We have 10 raised to the power x is equal to 64. Let us, this is equation first. Now we have to find the value of 10 raised to the power x by 2 plus 1. So since x to the power m plus n can be written as x के power m into x के power n, so you can write it, this is the x, 10 is at the place of x, and at the place of m there is x by 2, and at the place of n there is 1. So it can be written as 10 raised to the power x by 2 into 10 raised to the power 1, x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n. Then you can write it 10 raised to the power x and whole power 1 by 2, since x power m by n can be written as x raised to the power m and whole power 1 by n. So 10 raised to the power x by 2 can be written as 10 raised to the power x and whole power 1 by 2 into 10 raised to the power 1 will be equal to 10. So now we have the value of 10 to the power x. It is given, which is 64. So put the value of 10 raised to the power x is equal to 64 and whole raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 10. Right here from equation first we have put the value of 10 raised to the power x, which is 64. Now any number raised to the power 1 by 2 will be its square root multiplied by 10, and the square root of 64 is 8 multiplied by 10, and it will be equal to 80, which is your final answer. Let us see question number 5, and this question is very important. It is always asked in examination. and your question is prove that x raised to the power a by x raised to the power b whole power a square plus ab plus b square multiplied by x raised to the power b by x raised to the power c whole power b square plus bc plus c square multiplied by x raised to the power c by x raised to the power a and whole power c square plus ca plus a square is equal to 1. So we have to prove that its value will be equal to 1. So let us solve it. We have x is raised to the power a by x is raised to the power b and whole power is a square plus ab plus b square multiplied by x raised to the power b by x raised to the power c whole raised to the power b square plus bc plus c square and multiplied by x raised to the power c by x raised to the power a whole power c square plus ca plus a square. Now we know that x raised to the power m by x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m minus n. So this x raised to the power a by x raised to the power b can be written as it will be x raised to the power a minus b and whole power will be a square plus ab plus b square multiplied by similarly this can be written as x raised to the power b minus c whole power b square plus bc plus c square and multiplied by x raised to the power c minus a whole raised to the power c square plus ca plus a square. Now one formula is here. We know that a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to aq minus bq. This is the formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is the formula identity of aq minus bq. So now see, powers of power is here, so we have to multiply the powers. So this will be equal to x raised to the power a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square and similarly this will be x raised to the power b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square and multiplied by x raised to the power c minus a into c square plus ca plus a square. So this will be on this formula. By using this formula, this a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square will be equal to aq minus bq. So we can write this expression as is equal to aq minus bq. So x raised to the power aq minus bq into similarly x raised to the power b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square will be x raised to the power bq minus cq and this will be equal to x raised to the power cq minus aq. So you can see all the bases are same. So in multiplication, if bases are same, we have to add the powers. So let us add it, the powers, exponents, x raised to the power a cube minus BQ plus BQ minus CQ plus CQ minus AQ. So plus A cube is here and minus A cube is here. So plus A cube cancel with minus A cube, minus BQ cancel with plus BQ, minus CQ will cancel with plus CQ. So now we have x and nothing is left in exponent, so 0 will be there, and since x raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, so its value will be equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, right hand side. We have to prove the value of this expression is equal to 1, which is RHS. So we have got the value as 1, which is equal to RHS. So we have proved it. We have done it right here, proved. Okay, bye.